We are Shree Ganesh Engineering Works. In 2011, when the world looked up to technologies, when the demand for perfection increased, when businesses looked for value-added results, Mr. Kalaskar aligned his dreams to the demands.
Hi, this is Kalaskar, founder and director of Shree Ganesh Engineering Works.
Strategically located in Shree MIDC, we started with a small team and now a team of 30 plus members with more than 250 clients. We are growing.
We provide inspection services like VMM Inspection, blue light scanning, reverse engineering, full layout services, and all other metrological inspection services.
With consistent research and the passion to deliver the best, we only keep high quality and accuracy delivering machines like Carl Zeiss, which helps your business get reliable results for seamless growth. Our endless range of solutions include CMM inspection service on Carl Zeiss. With CMM inspection service on Carl Zeiss, we can check the parts up to 1.2 meters. This includes inspection and wear analysis of dies, molds and fixture, inspection of sheet metal, plastic parts and auto parts, fabrication parts, industrial products and long-range part. VMM inspection for small plastic and rubber parts. This data can be then used to reconstruct the product or part of your choice. Contour measuring machine for critical radius measurements. With a contour record 1600G 14N, we give you high accuracy contour measurement. We can measure product dimensions, radius and chamfers with high accuracy at great speeds. 3D laser scanner for scanning and measurement, on-site service provided. Our Zeiss HandyServe Plus is capable of variety of analysis including BAC, ADC, peak count and motif analysis. It gives graphical representation of measurement results which enables on-site verification with parameter and a waveform. 3D blue light scanning with high accuracy for small parts which we use for reverse engineering. We also offer on-site digital 2D and 3D design support to all our customers using a hexagonal portable scanner which can be used to create, modify, analyze and optimize design. We host a wide range of very latest in 2D and 3D computerized design software, ensuring we can produce engineering drawings to the highest standard. Our expertise in 3D modeling is unparalleled. Industry applications, aerospace, automotive, energy, machinery, plastics, medical. Passion has no limits and the team constantly proves that to us. Our daily dose of motivation lies in coming up with innovative ideas and solutions to fulfill the demand of the ever-growing market.
Our vision is to provide maximum possible services which incline to our existing verticals and would like to expand globally. The only way you succeed is following what inspires you.
Companies come to us with a hope, a demand, and fulfilling it is our duty. Every time a new client comes in, we make sure they find their solution here. We grow when our clients are satisfied. We work with a certain proven process that is time and cost effective for our customers, making sure that we give prompt service. CMM inspection services on Carl Zeiss, layout inspection services, 3D laser scanning services on site, reverse engineering services, third-party inspection services. We are proud to have won these awards. There is no stop to what we do, and there will never be. So, a team of experts is waiting to solve your problems. When are you visiting us?